In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a VPN on Bluestacks. By the end, you'll be running your Android apps inside Bluestacks with your connection routed through a VPN, just like on a phone. We'll keep it simple and use the Google Play Store to install a trusted VPN app, then connect and start using your apps as usual. First, open BlueStacks 5 on your PC and give it a moment to load the home screen fully. A brief pause here helps avoid glitches when opening the Play Store or installing apps. Next, open the Google Play Store from the BlueStacks home screen. If you haven't signed in yet, follow the prompts to sign in with your Google account so you can download apps. Once you're in, you're ready to search. In the Play Store, search for a reputable VPN. Good options include Proton VPN, Windscribe VPN, TunnelBear VPN, and NordVPN. Some of these offer free plans with limited servers, while others are premium. Choose the one that fits your needs, then tap Install and let the download complete. Staying on this screen until it finishes helps ensure BlueStacks registers the new app correctly. When installation is done, tap Open in the Play Store, or find the VPN icon on the BlueStacks home screen and launch it from there. The app may update itself on first launch. That's normal. Now sign in or create an account depending on the VPN you chose. Many providers walk you through a quick setup the first time. Some, like Proton VPN, allow free use without payment, though server choices may be limited. Follow the in-app prompts and get to the main dashboard. From the dashboard, connect to a server. The easiest option is Quick Connect or a Connect button, which picks a fast server for you. If you need a specific location, choose a country such as the United States or the United Kingdom. When prompted to allow the VPN connection, confirm the permissions so the app can create a secure tunnel. Wait until the app clearly shows connected. You may see a small key icon in the status bar, which indicates the VPN is active. With the VPN connected, go back to BlueStacks and open your game or app. Your internet traffic inside BlueStacks now flows through the VPN server you selected. Keep in mind, this affects apps in BlueStacks, not your entire PC. If performance feels slow, try a server closer to your region or switch to another recommended server. When you're finished, return to the VPN app to disconnect or change countries by disconnecting and reconnecting to a different server.